Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up some beer steamed cheeseburgers at the pit, and it's real easy to do. We got the steamed, so why not make some beer steamed cheeseburgers? All right, for this recipe, there's sauerkraut, yellow mustard, shredded cheese, Acme beer, of course. He's got some ground chuck or ground beef, cheese, onion, some SPG. Here's some sauce. And he's got some rolls. All right, let's see what he's going to do here. These are beer steam. He's got his cast iron pan there. All right, I get it. He's going to use that as a steamer. And here he's got some beef. All right, you better go to the cupboard now and get your peanut butter, man, because this is going to be good, no doubt about it. Looks like about a pound of beef. He's bringing it down to two half-pounders, of course. Do your math. He's hitting it with some SPG. You want to season your burger, of course. At least use some salt and pepper. And here he's adding some shredded cheese. Oh, yeah. This is the cheeseburger part, I think. And he's mixing it well. Now, what the cheese is doing is adding additional fat and a creaminess in a way, right? It'll make that burger taste real good, no doubt about it, right? Get some of that cheese in the middle of that. Working it in. All right, that's easy enough. Now, if you've never had a beer steamed cheeseburger in your life, you better check it out. It's gonna go good. Pretty much any beer you're drinking, and I see he's got some Acme beer there. Always use Acme beer. Now he's got these little cast iron plates. He's formed a burger into, like I said, half-pound patties there. And, all right. Adding some of that Acme beer. Wile E. Coyote approved, of course. Beep, beep. Clever. Drops it in that cast iron pan. Puts the cover on. And I think we're steaming. And while he's waiting for it to steam up, cook, slicing some onions and heating up those rolls, right, to make them fresh. Oh, man. Look at that.
At the chicken coop. I got my barbecue shoes on.
Now you're going to find the exact recipe and the ingredients, the whole 9 yards, by going to our website, BBQPitBoys.com. And I think this is where he's going to eat it in front of us. Oh no, hold it. He's going to show us what it looks like on the inside. Most burger joints won't show you that because they can't find the meat. Oh man, take a look at that. Whoa, look at that cheese dripping out. Oh, this is where he eats it in front of us. And he's not apologizing, trust me. Now we'd really appreciate your support by following us or subscribing to our channel. And remember this, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.